Namaste. Greetings to all of you. Let this day be one of the best days of our life. Let's go for the Sutra of the day today. When someone is aggressive and you reject the negative energy, it bounces back to the other person unless you transmute that negative energy into peace, love, harmony, and understanding. It looks like a simple statement, but for common people, this would be complicated one, right? So I'll break it up easily for you. Okay, now think about a situation when somebody is aggressive, right? So remember the yesterday sutra was a guideline here, do not argue with this person. And then he says, go to the root cause of the problem, right? You have that in your mind first when you handle this particular situation, right? So you don't want to argue. So what are you doing? You tend to reject this negative energy that is being projected to you. The question is, how do you reject a negative energy? Remember, in the science of energy, like qualities attract. So when the person is sending you a negative energy or irritable energy, angry energy, and you respond in an angry manner, you cannot reject it, you will absorb it. So the teacher does not tell you here how to reject it, but he gives you a clue here. Reject this negative energy. When you do this, it bounces back to the person, right? Now, when it bounces back to the person, it will definitely hurt the person, right? But the question is, uh, how do you reject this negative energy? So you have to create an energy that is not compatible to that one. In other words, if somebody projects an aggressive energy, it has to be the energy of love or being a neutral person without creating another vibration. If you're staying neutral and if you're staying in peace, this energy tends to bounce back. Obviously, when it bounces back, it will hit the person harder. So the teacher says the secret is you don't want the other person to get hurt, because when the person gets hurt, even if you're not saying a word, the person can think that you're the one responsible for the hurt. Maybe you were disrespectful. Maybe you neglected them completely. So they may get more angry. All of us would have gone through this. So the teacher is saying, instead of just rejecting it, you make sure that the energy, when it bounces back, goes back as peace, love, harmony, and understanding. If we can do that, that will be the gift of our life. If we can convert anger into love, peace, understanding, and harmony, we are a highly evolved soul already. But take this point. The clue given by the teacher is to help heal our relationship. Take note of this point. This can help you in many ways all through today. Namaste. Good luck to all of you.